Yo, what is up, guys? Jamaica Rich Gamer here with another reaction. Haha, another one. So this one, I'm getting so much requests to do this one. If I'm live streaming, people are request it. You know yourself, brother. You do it last night. If people text me on Instagram and say do it, so I'm doing it. So we are here with Unknown T and Skillibeng. Hold on. I say hold on. We say hold on. Hold on, man. Hold on. That? That's all? Alright. That's how I pronounce it. Hold on. I'm Jamaican. So without further delay, we're going to jump into this one and see what they are saying, because I have never listened to this one. So I can probably break down Skillibeng part somewhat, but Unknown T is a no-no for me. So let's go.
Yo, Bermuda music. Is that?
Yes, sir.
Yo, Unknown T.
IT for me this one.
Is that?
Trap beat. Yard style. Skillibeng and him bomber clap. Alright.
All my gun boys crash on peds and they slap with tech, I'm so impressed.
And my gun boys crashed on ped, then they stop with tech, I'm so impressed. So ped, moped, boom boom, motorbike, scooter, Jamaica call it scooter. So him gun boy them pull up on them ped and like a Skillibeng say, yeah.
Pretty gal want a goon and I love double piss, gal show that breast. Do what one ping with a mask on deck, that's 2 double OK miles on a track. It's come through when I beat that trap to the knit back, show them peps. Well on, it's come through when I beat that trap 3-2 on my lap, wanna kick like Jet Li. Cocktail date, got a thing on me, I still got smoke, don't stress me. Got enough on my plate, but the ops won't test me. Scheme then rev out the ride like Dizzy, it's all.
Let me just stop the video and say this, blood. Me love say the UK artist them and link up with the Jamaican artist them. Me love that, bro. Me love that. It's about time that link they did make. It was there before, but not as frequent as this. We see Millions do it. We see Lato Boys do it. We see the G do it. Unknown T. We see Digga D do it. We see a few artists do it. I like it. Let's go, man.
2-1, what you know about press? You beat at the odds and we bull up plenty.
HL, show me number one, then get vex, mix new with old fashion.
Skillibeng, let me tell you this blood clot, yeah. You see this style here, what you have? I'm not going to entertain you on it, you know. You know what you say. I don't understand some of what you say. You understand? I'm taking my glass, Skillibeng. You're not trouble, you know. Skillibeng, you're not trouble. You understand what I say, Benji? Big up yourself, though. Center of us, east. Alright, let's go.
HL, show me number one, then get vex, mix new with old fashion. HL, alien, big old Glock under my belt set.
Only thing me get from that is big old Glock under my bed set. That's all. Yo, Skilly. Yo.
Suspense, not unexpected. Big girl, fuck me, don't have to text them.
Alright. Big girl me fuck, me don't have to text them. So basically, I'm trying to say him get girl anyway. Him don't have to text girl, we text him. I understand?
But we must head with the old Celtic beard and me know we're cool and well jet.
All my gun boys crash on peds and they slap with tech, I'm so impressed. Pretty gal want a goon and I love double piss, gal show that breast. Do what one ping with a mask on deck, that's 2 double OK miles on a track. It's come through when I beat that trap to the knit back, show them peps. Well on.
You do have to ask for me gun them there. Spain town if you tell some boy we attack about bad me for run them way.
You don't have to ask for me gun them there. Spain town, Spanish town, you know? Spanish town, if you tell some boy where ask. Spanish town, if you tell some boy where attack, if you run them way. Move! Not chat, no pre, no, JOP, no, that I don't know them thing. Alright, yeah, left that one there.
The track, it's come through when I beat that trap to the knit back, show them peps. Well on.
You don't have to ask for me gun them there. Spain town if you tell some boy we attack about bad me for run them way.
Yeah.
Brand new Glock full of 9 ball, I'm a 2 clip them, I'm a move it sense.
Brand new Glock full of 9 ball. 9 shot them. You see me? 9mm shot them in the Glock. You see me? And you don't have to act, I'm a move with sense. Me 2 clip them. You know the thing?
Fan approving then. Roll out fan a boy moving dead.
Listen. See the ops love to go lift up your jumpers, bare tool wounds and punches, no need contour, can you arch back pumpkin? She holds one tap, this Bedin one function.
Him got in the next gear now. Unknown T for the next gear because Skillibeng just said that you got now a different gear, G. Or you find a different gear this a while ago? What one?
Proving then.
Hold on.
Fan a boy moving dead.
Listen. See the ops love to go lift up your jumpers. Bare tool wounds and punches. No need contour, can you arch back pumpkin? She holds one tap, this Bedine, one function. No stacker, you broke, go re-up a lump sum. Crash slap two of your dumb. She want more cocky, your friend keep calling about. She keep stalling, she loves obstruction.
Extension, the seaside, then I be a dead man. Pan with the clip, start dreaming back. Them pussy, then I bad, them food like gun.
The pussy's about them fake like. Yo, Skilly dog. Skilly. Skilly style is different, bro. Skilly style different, you fuck.
So the chopper sound on the roll out when you see alien man. Big fat chat in a SLR mag. Kill them how we do go blaze after. Clean as that.
Fill up the mash gang, do the conduction. I just want top girl, I need concussion. She got big breath and she want reduction. What would I do in the mash? She needs some tucking. Your body don't need no adjusting. Nose on toast to my yachting bracket. Return the up block, blew out the cool sock dusted.
Bleaching cream, some put shot all over them skin with the big 16. Love
Bleaching cream. Some put shot all over them skin with the BC. So basically, I make them skin white. I make them skin white, because you don't know bleaching skin make your skin white. So that's why I refer to this, so I believe.
Bleaching cream, some put shot all over them skin with the big 16. Love shoot boy, make them little and bleed. Yeah, sometimes can't say I'm evil than me. CCT. But just tax me afraid of them now. Hill of them head shot them and make home. This man then I dead hill of them town.
All my gun boys crash on peds and they slap with tech, I'm so impressed. Pretty gal want a goon and I love double piss, gal show that breast. Do what one ping with a mask on deck, that's 2 double OK miles on a track. It's come through when I beat that trap to the knit back, show them peps. Wall on.
Hold on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Frost, you know him, Frost.
Pull it.
Fire tracks here, be a lyrics for tonight. And a lot of the lyrics that I never catch them, a lot of them go over my head. Skillibeng, I can't deal with your lyric style. Furthermore, with Unknown T, who I don't can understand from morning or evening, I can't deal with the two of them. I know why I even react to this for. Me know the trouble was gonna be there, and there was trouble. Skillibeng, pick up yourself too. Unknown T, pick up yourself with G. So, let me say, I like how the artists them link up and I showcase them talent on different beat. Obviously, this is Skillibeng on a drill beat, a UK trap beat. So I like that, you see me? And I like it, dog. Like the whole unity. We're going to the music family. Obviously, you have couple camps of war, but you don't know that's a few another day. So unity in the music, I like it. You see me? From all nations. So this is how we're gonna leave that one still. Big up on yourself. Big up the people that made them to react to it. You see me? So if it can't be good, be lucky. If it's not nothing good to say, nobody say nothing, man. Big up on yourself. I'm outside. Yeah.